Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing our DC-152T-DN-Portable-Lacrosse-80 countdown timer. This is a shopping cart order from Vanderbilt's Men's Club Lacrosse. They have requested a countdown timer for their lacrosse sporting events. One of the key features of this model is how it can be used both indoors and outdoors, thanks to its tripod latch on the bottom and the handle on the top. It can be used in the outdoors in large open areas like parks and fields, as well as indoor facilities in order to regulate how long your game can go on. Okay, so first things first, we're going to have to turn this thing on. And you do this by flipping the switch, the on and off switch. And as you can see here on the bottom button right here, we have our dim and bright button here. So that allows us to switch it from dim light to bright light. So now I'm going to show you how to set your time to count down from. So in my hand right here, we have our wireless radio frequency remote control that's exclusive to this model. We have our start and stop button, which starts and stops the time. We have a reset to 80 button, which resets it back to 80 while it's paused. We have our +1 and -1 to increment and decrement the time. And we also have a reset to 60 button and an on and off button to stop the time as well. So anytime you press a button, you hear a beep, and that's from our piezo alarm that's built in, and you see this LED light flash green. So I'm going to press it again. That means that data is being sent to the enclosure, and that it increments and decrements every time I press the button. And it can only go up to a total of 80. So I'm going to press the start button, and from there it counts down from 80 all the way down to 0. So I'm going to press the stop button to stop it. Now I'm going to showcase the piezo alarm when it reaches 0. So I'm going to start going down all the way to 10. So now I'm on 10. So I'm going to press the start button, and we're going to wait for 10 seconds to go by. And at that point, it reaches 0. The piezo alarm on the remote will go off. So here. So once the alarm goes off for about 3 seconds, it'll reset back to 80, and from there you can start and stop the time again. So going over the hardware aspect of this model, we have our aluminum IP66 outdoor waterproof enclosure that is tough and is fingerprint resistant, powder coated finish that makes it fingerprint resistant, and its total dimensions is 24 inches wide, and it is 19 inches tall, and it is 3/4 deep. Its display size is 15 inches, and it can count from 80 to 60 or any preset time before 80. It has a total of 2 digits that can be viewed from up to 750 feet away. Its power type is a 12-volt, 8-amp-hour sealed lead battery, along with a 3-amp battery charger with an LED indicator charger status, and it can run on its own for a total of 8 hours before it shuts off and you need to recharge the battery. For mounting, we have our handy-dandy panel on the top of the enclosure, along with a tripod mounting at the bottom. And lastly, for accessories, we have our wireless DC PCC1L remote control with a piezo alarm, and it can be operated 1,500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-152T-DN-Portable-Lacrosse-80 countdown timer. Thanks for watching.